Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, everyone? Welcome back, grade 4I. Today, we are not going to use the book. So, okay, we're going to use the notebook. Okay, so close your book. Okay,
Yes.
let's back to our game. I think today we're going to play a little game like that. Okay, so it's about money. Okay, so you can talk. Okay, but if you know, just if you know. Okay, who can tell me? Okay, who were in US before? Is there anyone were in US
Me,
before?
me, Russ.
Who?
Yeah, I
Ryan,
go. And
Ryan,
me,
Ryan and Yusuf
me,
and Abdul Mohsen. Ryan and
and
Yusuf
me.
Abdul Mohsen, right? Is there anyone else? Ryan, Yusuf,
No.
Abdul Mohsen. Okay,
Moment,
so
what's
keep your
me?
mic open, guys. Keep your mic on, and let's talk about money of US. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
do you familiar with this coins and this type or the shape of the
Yeah,
coins? Okay.
Mr. Mo'men,
Yes.
I forgot to tell you. I have a coin collection. I collected from America coins.
Oh, you have it?
Yeah, I'm a coin collector. I collect everywhere I travel coins.
Yeah, great. Great. Okay, so we all know what does it mean the first one? It's $1, right? We all know the shape of $1. So it will be $1.
Mr. Mo'men, do we write or we just look?
No, just look. Pay attention. You have to pay attention to this. This recording will be uploaded on Classera, so you don't need to write after me. Just pay attention. I need to focus on it. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So we have $1. Okay. So that's $1. So equal how many cents? Do you
Mr.
know, Ryan?
100
100. Excellent. So it will be 100. 100 what?
cents.
Cents. Excellent. Great. So equal 100 cents. Okay. So if you want to write it as decimal, so you'll put the one in the whole number part in the ones place. So it will be just one whole. So it will be just one whole. So equals $1. Okay. If you want to write it or model it as base 10 blocks, as we learned before, completed shaded square, so it denoted to $1. $1. So we're gonna write one in the ones place. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see the next one.
Mr. Mo'men,
Yes,
I like your lines with the computer.
thank you. Okay, let's move to the coins of US. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. What about the first one? Who can tell me what's called the first one, the first coin, this coin? Yes, Ahmed Shamasi.
I think it's a cent.
Cent?
No.
Okay.
I like
What
food.
about
You want
Mahdi? What about Mahdi? Yes? What?
10 cents.
No. Yusuf, you were in US before, so do you familiar with this?
Yes.
What it is?
15 cents.
15 cents? No, I
I
don't
mean, no,
think
no.
so. What about Ryan? Ryan, do you familiar with it? Do you know it?
Mm,
Okay, let me ask Faris.
sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's Danes. Danes are.
No, no, I will tell you, I will tell you. This is quarter, quarter of dollar. Do you see it? It's quarter of dollar written here. So if you want to write it as cents, how many cents in quarter? How many cents in quarter of dollar? It will be 25 cents. So in quarter of dollar, 25 cents. Okay. If you want to write it as a fraction, anything, any coin, if you want to write it as a fraction, so you have to write it over 100 because we are dealing with 100 cents. Okay. So because of course $1 equal 100 cents, so we're gonna divide over 100. So it will be 25 over 100. Or we can write it as a quarter, as we all know, quarter equal 1 over 4, right? Okay, so that's the type of fraction. So how can we write it in the form of fraction? Okay, how can we write it as decimal? Okay, let's see. 25 over 100, how can we write it as decimal? Come on, guys, we learned that before. Yes, Mahdi?
0.25.
0.25, great. So it will be 0.25. 0.25. 0.25 what? Dollars. Okay? So it will be 0.25 dollars. Okay? Okay. Let me move to the next coin. The next coin here is what? Okay. If you can't recognize or identify the meaning of each one, let me tell you a trick here. If you see, do you see this guy on this coin, the
Yes,
quarter coin?
yes,
What
yes.
about its hair or his hair?
Yeah.
He has a long hair, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
So he has a long hair. So it will be a long hair here. Okay. So if you
okay.
see this one with a long hair, so it will be quarter coin or quarter dollar. Okay. With a
I
long
know the
hair.
another one.
Okay, we have another one in the long hair, but when we deal with it, I will tell you how can we differentiate between them. Okay. Okay, let me see here. We have here this one with a short hair. This one with a short hair. Okay, so this one called what? This coin. Yes, Ferris?
James.
It's called dime. One, it's called dime. Okay, it's called
I know the dime.
dime. Yeah, of course you know it because you were in America, so you can identify it. Okay, so Abdel Mohsen, what are you doing? Stay focused, man. Okay, so dime equal how many cents? Abdel Mohsen, don't mute yourself.
50.
Are you sure?
Wait.
Dime. One dime equal how many cents? Come on, guys.
Yes.
Only Ryan, Faris. Okay, so Ali Sahat is here.
Down.
Where have you been, man?
It's 10.
It's 10. Excellent. So it will be 10 cents. Okay, how can we write it, Ali, as a fraction?
10 over 100.
10 over 100. Okay, how can we write it as decimal?
Uh, points and 0, 10.
So it will be 0.10
10.
dollars. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. What about the next one? Who can tell me? What about the next one? What's called this coin? what it's called. Abdul Mohsen, can you help?
Yes.
Yeah, what's called this one? Okay, let me see
Wait, no. Wait.
what it looks like. The man on the coin. It has a
Cent.
long hair. He has a long hair, right?
Cent.
But the
Yeah.
difference between this hair and this hair, you will find this one wearing like a t-shirt, wearing
Ah,
something like a t-shirt, right? But here
Mm-hmm.
he's not wearing anything. He doesn't wear anything, right?
Yeah.
So here he's wearing a t-shirt, so it will be a nickel.
Cents.
It will
oh
be
yeah,
a nickel, okay?
oh yeah,
So
no.
this
Nickel.
is nickel.
Mhm.
What's a nickel?
Okay, the nickel is 5 cents. The nickel is 5 cents.
Mr.
Yes.
Did you go to your to you did you go to America?
No, unfortunately, no.
Also me.
Okay, but I know the coins. You have to know the coins because if you want to go to America, so you can deal with the coins, deal with the money there. Okay.
'Mo'men, if you're talking, we can't hear you.
No, wait. Okay. So it will be 5 cents. How can we write it as a fraction? Abdul Mohsen, are you still with me?
Yeah.
So how can we write it as a fraction?
Um. Um. A 0.5.
So it will be 0.5.
0.5.
Wait a minute. It will be 5 over, no, I'm asking about fraction, so it will be 5 over 100, right? Okay, now, how can we
Yeah.
write it as decimal?
Decimal. Because
Yeah,
we don't have anything in the left, so we're gonna put 0.
yes, we're gonna put the 0.
Mhm.
First, we put the decimal point,
Okay, after
and
that,
then because we have 5, we're gonna put 5.
like that.
Hmm.
We have two zeros
Yes.
down,
Oh yeah. So we're gonna put them.
so you have to put two zeros here. So you have to put two zeros and then the number up. Because we have only one number up. You can't put one number after the decimal point because we have two zeros, so you have to put two digits after the decimal point. Okay?
Mr. Mo'men,
Yes?
Okay.
can I do the
Yes,
last
Ryan?
one? I know it.
Okay, you got it. Yes, the
I
last
have
one.
I have this coin. It's a penny.
Penny, excellent. So
I have
how many
it.
cents in one penny?
How many cents? 1 cent.
Excellent. It's 1 cent. Only it's the smallest unit of the money. So
I know it.
like here halala. Do you familiar with halala
Yeah.
here in Saudi Arabia?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's the same thing. It's penny 1 cent. Okay. So how can we write it as with fraction.
So 1 over 100.
So it will be 1 over 100. So how can we write it in decimals?
So first we're going to put the point, decimal
Yes.
point. And then because we don't have a whole number, so we're just going to put 0.
Great.
And then because we have 2 zeros, so we're going to put 0 first, then 1.
Yeah. Great. So it will be 0.01. Okay. Okay, guys, if you need to take a screenshot for it, it will be recorded. But if you need to take a screenshot for this, you can. You have 2 minutes.
Mr. Mo'men, do we have to write it?
No, take a screenshot for it and keep it with your device. Okay?
Mr. Mo'men,
And this will be recorded on
Screenshot.
Classera. So if you don't have any device or you can't take a screenshot, you will see it on Classera. Okay, guys?
Now we finish our lesson.
No, not yet. Not yet. Wait.
Oh,
Okay. Now, I will ask you all. I will give you an amount of money and I'll ask you to write the exact amount of this money. Okay, are you ready?
yeah.
So you may need a notebook to write the amount of money that you'll see. Okay, so the first one, who can tell me?
Teacher, I think I get it in the chat.
No, Abdul Mohsen.
نعم على
Okay.
الشات.
What?
see
Ali Sahati?
the chat.
I can't see your chat, Ali Sahati. Yeah, excellent, Ali Sahati. Great job, Ali. You got it right. You got it right, Ali.
I am
Ahmad Shamasi is not right. And
Me first, and me.
Faris Salamin, no, not yet.
Mr. Ahmed,
Easy, oh my god.
Mr. Mo'men, can I say the first one what it is?
Guys, it was
Okay,
easy.
Ryan, the first one. Yes.
Of course,
What's called?
it's a quarter. It's a
It's
quarter.
quarter, right?
So it'd be 25 cents.
So it will be 25 cents. How can we write it in dollars? No, Ahmed Shamasi. So if you want to write it as dollars, so just put the 25 after the decimal point. So it will be 0.25 dollars.
Oh god.
Okay.
Okay.
So what about the next one? This one. Okay, Mahdi.
10.
It will be 10 cents, right? So how can we write it in dollars?
0.10.
Excellent. You're a genius. Okay, who the next one? Who can tell me what about this? I can't see anyone raising his hand. Ahmed Shamasi.
Okay, I'll try. I think it's wait. I think it's 15.
Okay, can you see it here? He's wearing a t-shirt, right? He's wearing a shirt here. He's wearing a shirt. So it will be.
Is it 20?
It will be nickel, right? It will be nickel. So it will be 5 cents. So it will be $0.05.
Sorry, teacher, I forgot to take permission for you to go.
It's okay.
Forget.
Okay. What about the last one here? We have here. This one is also like this one. Will be dime. It will be 10 cents. So it will be $0.10. And here, this one is penny. So it's just 1 cent. So it will be $0.01. And the same here. will be $0.01. Okay, now if you want to get the total money, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna add them together. Okay, so let's add. So we're gonna take the small amount together. Okay, excellent, Faris Salamin, great job, Faris and Mahdi.
Yeah.
Okay,
Teacher, who
so
get it first? Mr.
let's
Mu'min
see.
me. Mr. Mu'min me. Did I did well? Okay, who get it
Okay,
first?
Mahdi and Faris and Ryan, excellent, Ryan. Ahmed
Finally.
Shamazi, not yet. Ahmed Shamazi,
Teacher,
not
who get
yet.
it first? Teacher, who get it first?
Who get first? Ali Sahati. Ali Sahati got first. Okay, so let's see. Let's write it here. Okay, how can we add them together? Let's add the small numbers together. So 0.01 plus 0.01 plus 0.05. 0.01 plus 0.01 equals 0.02 plus 0.05 equals 0.07. Okay, let's write it here. 0.07. Okay, Hussein Al-Jarraj, excellent, Hussein. Great job, man. And then we're gonna add this together. 10 plus 10, 0.10 plus 0.10 equals 0.20, right? And the last one, 0.25. So we're gonna add them together now. Okay, now let's add. 7 plus 0 equals 7 plus 5 equals 12. So we're gonna write 2 and carry up 1. And 1 plus 0 equals 1, plus 2 equals 3, plus 2 equals 5. So I'm going to write here 5 and put the decimal point as the same and put the 0. So our answer is $0.52.